Take a ride in the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, skid plates, speed control, trailering package, chrome mirror caps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.